Start it up. Start it up. All right, my beautiful friends. Welcome to the stream. Oh no, I won't be able to read the chat and listen to my classical music at the same time. Wait, yes I can. I have two phones. I forgot. One for the crypto and one for the girls. Okay. She's starting it up. I'm starting on my second phone. It was dead. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. It's a really nice day. Have the windows open. The birds are squeaking. We're going to be getting into some in-depth technical analysis here in a second. Once I can get this live stream going on. So I can see you guys in the chat. 1 second. How you guys doing? Okay, the phone died. That is unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. I guess we'll have to stop the classical music so we can see what's going on in the chat. That's okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. And boom! I can see you guys in the chat. Let's go. How are you guys doing this fine evening, morning? Setting it up. We're going to get into it real quick. Real soon. Alright, here we go. Chat is live. I see you guys. Let me get 1, 2, 3, 4 in the chat, just so I know you guys are comprehending what I'm saying here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get into this, okay? All right. As turbulent times are happening in the world, we are seeing some retracement in most coins. I will be going over Dogelon Mars, Bitcoin, XRP, Avalanche, Polkadot, and Polygon today. So stay tuned, my beautiful friends. Exclusive deal is going on with the course. If you have been wanting to learn how to day trade, then this is perfect for you, because there's a limited time deal for this week on the course. If you don't make your first profit within the first 30 days, then you get your entire amount's worth of money right back refunded. So it's a no risk opportunity to you. And I also discounted the price because I want as many people to take advantage of this opportunity while we are at a dip, okay? Because if you can understand these techniques while we're at a dip, the next spike we see, you can make a whole lot of money, okay? So we got Polkadot, Polygon. I am invested in all of these but Bitcoin. I'm holding some XRP, holding a lot of Avalanche, a lot of Polkadot, and some Polygon. And a billions crap load worth of Dogelon Mars. A whole lot of that. So everything is in the same position right now. We are all making higher lows in these coins. Guys, right now is the time where you really it's so nice. It's so low for a discounted price. All of these coins. It's a really good time to start investing. Everyone, of course, is going to say it's not a good time. But if you want to be like the 1%, you got to do the opposite of what the 99% do fundamentally. Okay? So take everything you hear with a grain of salt. Especially if it's from people that don't know what they're talking about. If they have not made a living in crypto, then they most likely do not know what they are talking about. Okay, let's get straight into it. We're dropping to the 15-minute candles. Volume coming in hot. With a horrible price at the moment, but disregard. Okay, let's see. These are 15 minutes. I'm going to just zoom out to the 30-minute candles just so we can see. So this is a couple days ago. Yeah, okay. We are in a nice little downtrend at the moment. All right, so let's go on with a ray. We got the top of here, and we got the top of this. It's one range. And as you drop into this little, the smaller range here, you see some patterns start to form as well. Now, these are not trading lines. These are simply lines to see the overall trend, okay? When you day trade, it doesn't really matter. It does matter, but it doesn't really matter which trend you are going in, unless you are reaching a top, then it matters, depending on what trade. But these are hourly candles, so this is like days worth of support and resistance. And if you're trading within an hour or two, then this has some significance, but not a whole lot. Let me go to these 3 hourly candles because I want to get this last point. See, it's an uptrend. Okay. Yeah. Somewhat. We just had a freak dip right here. That's the only reason that that we are seeing an uptrend. If this didn't dip and it actually just dipped to here, we wouldn't be in an uptrend. We would be in a trend more like this. We'd be hitting a triple bottom coming soon. So right here, if you see this, if you look at this very close, you will see multiple points of convergence. Now, you see this? This is where it really should be, okay? You see where all of this convergence is going on? That's where we should see our next move, our next major move, either to the upside or the downside or whatever it seems to happen. Based on all of our trend lines, this is where it should happen on the 18th. So we shall, that's 4 days from now. 4 days. In the meantime, if you're day trading, just simply based on this, you want to look for short positions because it's in a downtrend and there's multiple resistances and supports to help it continue in that downtrend. So you want to be looking for short positions, which means you want to bet that it will go down. That's what a short is. A long position is you betting that it's going up. What's up, local liquid? What's going on, bro? Okay. Yeah, so day trading, you want to drop to the 15-minute candles, right? And you want to trade off of horizontal lines. So right now we're in a downtrend, okay? So what we're looking for is a short position, so betting that it will go down. Now, the next time it comes up to here, to this line of resistance, it would be a smart move to put in a short position, okay? Right around these 676 levels. This is all the stuff you guys will learn in the course, plus so much more. And the deal is going on right now. Make your first profit in 30 days, in the first 30 days, or get your money back. So check it out. I discounted the price so more of you beautiful subscribers can gain this knowledge before we start spiking again in the market. Before the market reverses, you want to gain this knowledge. And it's only around an hour to hour and a half worth of videos. So it's not even that much. You can learn it all in one day. And then it's about practicing. Along with purchasing the course, you will get free day trade alerts, which is really, really helpful. Like this type of stuff I will be doing and then sending you guys alerts live while I'm doing it. So let's say I put in a position up here. I will tell you guys that I put in a position up here. And when I sell it, I'll tell you guys. Now, whatever you do with that information is not my problem. This is not financial advice. Simple opinion from a crypto billionaire. But, yeah, you guys can see everything. Okay, so that is Dogelon Mars. Do you guys have any questions? Do you guys understand what's going on? You know the difference between short and long-term positions? Let me know. Let me know. What do you guys want to see? I'm only on for a little bit here, so I gotta go get a door for my room. And go out and film for my other 2 YouTube channels. But let me know what you guys want to see. You guys want to see some Bitcoin, XRP, Avalanche, Polkadot, Polygon, or a different coin? Let me know. In the meantime, let's get into some XRP. So these are the daily candles. We're going to go ahead and identify the support and resistance lines. Real easy. So right here, we have, this isn't, it's not too strong worth of uptrend support. What do I know about Galacoin? Not much, but let's look it up. Let us look it up. Polygon. Polygon is super low right now. Gala. I've heard of it. Never traded it. Ooh. It looks like it's coming to a point of decision at the moment. And what do I mean by that? I mean this. So, right? So right here, there's a big influx of volume to the upside. If a lot of buyers come in within the next 4 days, and it pushes higher than these 3 levels, right here, then that will be a nice little buying opportunity. Now your next level of support would be this 27569 level. So you definitely, I'm using an array, not a horizontal line. You definitely want to watch that. So if I were trading this, I would wait until it comes back down to this line, touches that line. I'm going to make sure the line is in the correct position, however. So yes, right now would be an absolute nice buying opportunity to average in. Do not average your whole portfolio in. I would not average my whole portfolio in. What I would do is use the 1/4 rule. So average 1/4 in now. Say you have $1,000, you average $250 in now, and you wait for this little spike. Okay, after it breaks through this and you have confirmation, you average in 50%. So you're in 75%, and then you come up here and wait and watch what it does at these 275 levels. I'm sorry, I would come up here and wait, watch what it does. If it starts retracing, you can take your profits and move on. If it moves up, then you add 25% more. Your break even is now probably around this 22.5 level, which is a beautiful. No, it'll probably be around this 23.6 level, right? So your break even is indeed right here. You are in up here, and you can just ride the wave until you can scale out very nicely. That's how you mitigate risk, maximize profits, my beautiful friends. You learn it all in the course and much, much more. Exclusive deal going on. If you don't make your first profit in the first 30 days, you get your entire money's worth back. And I'm very confident that you will be very satisfied. If not, you get your money back. I'm thinking. Chat's going off. Okay. Tectonic. Yes, I shall do one of those. I watch you every day. Very helpful. Soon as I get 1,000, I'm riding with you. Blessings, bro. You the man, bro. Dude, you guys are so supportive. I love you guys. What price do you think Elon will be by the end of the year? I can do a quick analysis on that. Thanks. Been watching you since November. A lot of great information. Thank you, Brian. Yeah, what's your Elon price? We hit 4 zeros this year. How many more months do you think this is consolidation for Elon. Okay, you guys are really all right. Let's do it. Elon, we're getting into it. But if you guys weren't here for the earlier course talk, right now is a great time to take advantage of this deal. There's 7 days. If you do not make your first profit, then you get your money back. There's no risk on your side. And we are at such a low point in the overall market. Knowing this information now will pay dividends in the future. So check the link in the description if you want to get started on that. You'll also get access to the real-time day trade buy and sell alerts in the Discord private channel. So once you become a student. All right. So let's get this. How many more months do you think is in consolidation for Elon? Okay. Let's got to pull up Bitcoin to also compare, because if we look, we're creating higher lows, but volume is very stagnant. It is not moving up. Okay. So we want to watch and see if it comes back down to this $35,000 level and shows buying pressure again. If that happens, then it's a very, very strong indication that we are showing some nice buying pressure, and we'll continue to the upside in a reversal pattern. So if it comes back down to those $35,000 levels, then Dogelon could probably come back down to these fives. Okay? And we can get a nice little price for that. So let's say you wait for this, okay? You wait for that $35,000 level. Bitcoin shows support. We have two options here. Bitcoin shows support, buy or step in, all right? We get in at these 5 levels, average in. By the time Bitcoin returns to the price that it's at now, Dogelon Mars will be up to these 9s, okay? So that right there is, if you get in at this 5 level, that is a good 80 to 90% trade, okay, within a few days. After this, then we need to watch, because Bitcoin will continue to move. Let's say it breaks these $45,000 levels. That means we are breaking these 12s, we are breaking these 14s, and we are moving into this range to break this major point of previous resistance, okay? So, in order for that to happen, you need to break these $50,000 levels. And then we can break through these 16s, 17s very, 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 very easily. So, assuming that the market continues in this reversal pattern, as we are seeing with higher lows and buyers are stepping in, assuming that continues, we should, in the next year, let's do some analysis. I gotta bring out the time frames for you guys. Fib time zones. Swing low. Swing high. Okay. So, 25th of May, we should see a nice price. Okay, a nice price on this coin. Something major can happen between now and then. Now it could be in a little range of time. Could be before, it could be a little bit after. So we have about, just our window here is 11th of May to 21st of June. Okay, so about month window, but a lot can happen in this month. Okay, if Bitcoin moves back up to these 52,000s, so major. Let's just say volume returns to where it was. Okay, where's this going? Here we are. So this is a 308% return if you get in now. And as Bitcoin returns to these $52,000, $60,000 levels, breaks these highs, okay? That's a 3x. That's a 3x in We have 15th of March, April, May. So about 2.5 months, 3 months, okay? That's nice. That's really nice. Assuming that Bitcoin is in a reversal pattern and will continue back up to the $60,000 levels. Now in the long term, okay, this is simply price action. All right, let me read the chat before I get into the long term stuff. Okay, you guys are all right. Cool. All right, nothing more in the chat. If you guys have any questions, for real, let me know because I would love to answer them. So in the long term, what we need to expect, let's get into it right now. So this is simply, this movement is simply based off of the Bitcoin price, and that the all of the altcoins will follow Bitcoin's price if it either moves up or down. So assuming that it's in a reversal pattern, which it is showing strong signs that it is because of the buyers stepping in and creating higher lows, as it reaches the $60,000 level, we should see Dogelon Mars reach these 25, 26 levels, okay? Now, here's a crucial point, and if I was a developer, then it would, this is what I would do. A developer of this coin, that is. So at this moment in time, the market is clearly reversing. People are clearly getting back in, those who sold for a loss. Right now, everyone is selling because they think the market is going to go down. So what are the institutions doing at this level? You guys should know this. And if you don't, listen real close. The institutions are buying their bags, okay? They have bought here, which clearly activated a market surge, and now they are accumulating while everybody else is selling, okay? They are the 1%, and we follow their coattails to make money, okay? They trade on billions and billions of dollars. So, it will move up because of these institutions, and as it does that, we will reach a high. From that point forward, it is about the marketing and pushing it out there, because as the institutions push this higher, as they keep investing in it slowly, institutions meaning big money, the retail investors who sold for a loss at this point will see that it got back up to the price, and that, oh my God, I sold too early, so they're going to buy back in, which is going to push the price even higher. Then it's about word of mouth, okay? This is marketing. This is marketing phase. This is where the developers really, I'm not saying this price in particular, I'm just saying this phase, the developers need to push out their product because everybody's making a profit and everybody's telling their friends, their moms, their grandmas, their kids, how they're making money in crypto. It's word of mouth, and that is nearing a top, okay? Now, it might take a couple months, but that is the phase when Dogelon Mars will make its biggest moves. And the reason it will make its biggest moves is because of the marketing, okay? This is when they need to come out with their ecosystem. They need to release NFTs. They need to do sponsorship deals. And if they do it correctly, and I really do think they will, based on their social media following and their consistency, engagement, just constant updates, they clearly have a great marketing team. And I believe they know what they're doing. So at that point, it's up to marketing, mainstream marketing, and the developers. Okay? So personally, I will be watching very closely, not around these levels, but around more of these. I'll measure it out so you guys know how I get this. So pretty much what you do is you measure out from the low to the high. I will be watching more towards these, I'm going to delete this. These 35 levels to see how it's reacting, and not even how the price action is reacting, but how the marketing team and developers are moving this coin forward. Because if they're not, I will very much watch the price. If they are not gaining more investors, if they are not getting on more exchanges, if they are not promoting themselves more on social media, then I will consider taking a nice, let's look at the profit again. I got in around 6.2. I'll just say 6.4 to be whatever. A nice 4.3 times your money. Okay, so, and that's completely great. That's fine. But if they are moving the coin forward, which I really do think they will be, they are coming out on new exchanges. They are posting everything. They are getting people to promote them. They are getting on race cars again. Then that is when you hold. You just simply hold. But right now is accumulation phase, okay? This is just the future. And this is the forecast on what makes the most logical sense to happen in these markets right now. All right, I'm going to read the chat a little bit. Ooh. So by the end of the year, let's see. By the end of the year, oof, that is a long time. A long time. Oh my god, that is a long time. Oh no, it's right here. Okay. Let me draw a horizontal line just so I a vertical line so I can. Alright, that's January 1st, right? At this, right here. Alright, so. Okay, in order to do this, I need to look at the market cap, but if I do that, if I go, okay. Let me see the market cap. Elon. Hopefully Elon has potential for SHIB market cap or close. I do believe it will hit 10 billion. Okay, 10 billion. If marketing is correct and crypto is in a reversal pattern, that could very much happen by the end of this year. But I want to get real specific. Okay, market cap is 300. Okay. 367 million. Let's say it hits 10 billion by the end of the year. All right. Okay, I'm going to. Oh, it stays. All right. See, you can't use indicators, which sucks, man. It really does. Oh, shit. All right. Hold. I'm problem solving right now. Man, all right. Let's just see. All right, so the top that it hit was market cap 2 billion. 2 billion right there. Okay, 2 billion. That's a good estimate. All right, cool. So if we go back and back and back and back and back. Oh, it doesn't even show it. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be hard to do this because it doesn't show the it doesn't show the market cap along with the price. Oh, okay, I figured something out. 1 second. Divided by what's the market cap? 367? Okay. Hold. Okay, alright. Yeah, cool. So 27x. That's what we gotta look for. Okay. One second, I'm looking something up. Alright. Yeah, okay. Doing some quick math. All right. So this is what we need to look at. It's what we need to watch. So if it went up 27 times because the market cap is 367 million. Let me just check that again. Yeah, okay. It goes up at $367 million market cap. If it goes up 27 times, that will be a $10 billion market cap, and that is on the low end of Shiba Inu. Okay, this third largest meme coin in the market. I seriously see it hitting 20, even 30 billion in the future, and 10 billion at this price is 27 times. All right, so that would leave the price around, I believe, if my math is correct, around these 4 zeros 20 area. Okay, so if we were to hit 10 billion by the end of the year, which I think is possible if Bitcoin continues in this reversal pattern, then we shall see a price of 0.000002. Okay, 20s, 4 zeros. I hope that answered your question. Let me get the chat back up. To hit 0.0025. We'll see if that's possible. Elon whale wallet number 2 and 3 is Wintermute. I bought 150 million USD of Dogelon Mars last couple months. Heck yeah. Wintermute. All right, cool. All right, 0.00025. 0.0025. Let's look at how much percentage increase that would be, and see if that's possible. Unless they dilute the circulating supply, this is most likely not possible. But I will indeed look this up real quick. See, what the hell? Okay. Yeah, so the market cap of that all right, times. Yeah, so that market cap would be 1,309,984,113,000. So if we were to hit almost or over $1 trillion market cap with Dogelon Mars, that means the overall crypto market cap, as opposed to the ratio that Bitcoin is at, would have to be over 30 trillion. Over 30 or 40 trillion. Right now it's peaking at 2. If we look here, market cap of the overall crypto market, every single cryptocurrency on the market is worth 1.7 trillion. So, by the end of the year, that is probably realistically not possible. Now, in the next 10 years, that is completely possible. Guys, check out the course. Exclusive deal going on right now for the next 7 days. Upon purchasing the course, concurrent to purchasing the course, the deal is started. So you have 30 days to make your first profit. If you don't make your first profit, then you get your money back. Go check it out. First link in the description. Wintermute is a huge player. They are preparing something with Elon and Kronos. I would not doubt that, my man. Wintermute also bought 500 million of Kronos. This guy's really bulling out, huh? Kronos. Let's look at. Yes, I am indeed holding some of this as well. Big things are to come with crypto as long as the United States does not ban it, okay? They can regulate it all they want. Not all they want, but they can regulate it to where we have to pay taxes, we have to pay state taxes, we have to pay sales tax. That's fine. The only thing that does is allows more businesses to move into the markets, okay? That's a good thing. Now, if they say, nope, no more cryptocurrency, it's gone. You use the Fed coin, which is their own digital currency, that's where we're going to have a problem. And they are indeed coming out with their own digital currency. They haven't said much about completely banning crypto, but they are definitely going to regulate it in the future. So we shall see what we can use it for in the future. But as long as cryptocurrency is made to be less shady and the government can track it, they would not care, okay? But with hardware wallets and things like that, it's very hard to track some of the money. And the government doesn't like that. They like to know every single thing about us, about each and every one of us. They like to have a data compilation of how much money we have, how much debt we're in, what we spend our money on, because that's how you run a world economy, or a country, at least, nowadays. Okay, wait, what were we looking at? Chronos. What happened to CRO? I just had it up, man. Just had it up. Okay. Wintermute. Yeah, he must. If he's really stacking up right now, then he also sees that we are nearing a low. If you look at it, no one's talking about crypto because everyone's down. All right, we just gotta wait till those people that are down decide to sell, because, or at least most of them, because they can't bear the loss. Okay. Now, the lower we get, the more people will sell, and the more the big money players like Wintermute will buy. Okay, he is what I consider an institution. I just used to trade stocks, so that's my terminology that I use. But if we're using crypto terminology, the whales will buy at the lower prices. And that's what he's doing right now. So just follow the money. It's a great saying. Don't follow the little money, follow the big money. We follow the big money, get in as they get in, and sell before them. Because as they're selling, they know it's a top and markets are about to crash. And they will indeed move the markets. If someone's dumping $500 million worth of Chronos in one day, which I don't think you physically can do that, but that's going to affect the price a lot. So we want to get out before that happens. And we will get out before that happens. They're preparing, okay. Wintermute bought Elon when the price was 0.0001. Okay. 0.0001, dude. I don't even think it was that at any time in history. Maybe a couple more zeros. I had like 2 or 3 on. They bought the hell out of it. What about 0.00025? That's more realistic. In general, I mean like the next 5 years, 0.0025, probably not. Unless they reduce the circulating supply. So right now, there's a shit ton. 552 billion coins. If they reduce that by half, that means this price will go up 2x. However, we won't make a penny because it doesn't change the overall market cap. So, I hope that makes sense. To simplify it, if circulating supply changes, we don't make money. If it goes up, the price will go down. If it goes down, the price will go up. But we don't make anything. It just changes the price. Even when the price was double, they bought the hell out of it. 0.00, God, 000, okay, 5 zeros. What about 0.0025? Let's do a quick analysis on that. I am going to have to go here soon. hey, you guys should definitely, all of you in the live stream right now, first of all, thanks for being here. Thanks for spending your day with me. Second of all, shoot me an email at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. mycryptomoves@gmail.com. So we can keep in contact. I want to get to know you guys. Get to know how I can help you guys, if I can, because I like helping. I'm a nice guy. And I don't want you to make the same mistakes that I did when you first start. 0.000. So 3 zeros and a 2.5. All right, we're almost there. We are almost there. 3 zeros and a 2.5. So, yeah, unless the overall crypto market cap hits around 30 to 40 billion in the next 5 years. Now, if we really start using it, mainstream adoption and businesses really start to take off, like if we start using decentralized metaverse coins and people would rather stay inside to go to clubs with their friends and just put on a mask, and we're using crypto to get in the club, or like, that's the type of level people need to be at in order for crypto to be mainstream adopted in the metaverse, at least. That's just one use case. Now, like getting into the real estate system, like us be able to buy a house with CRO token, that's just not, I don't see that happening. I just don't see that happening. Unless it's like converted into the US dollar first, then it can definitely work. However, you'll have to pay capital gains on the CRO for selling it, and then you gotta... So, no, that probably won't happen. But metaverse very well could happen. Reason why I'm saying all that is because that's the only way that it could get up to that type of level. So, do you see people inside spending a lot of time like on the internet using crypto in the next 5 years? Okay, if you do, then we have a good chance that the overall market cap that is currently at 1.7 trillion could hit 30-40 trillion dollars. All right, we just need a lot of mainstream businesses to really take over. Okay, and with the government regulating it, providing a sort of fundamental foundation, that is a very good thing for businesses to step up. So everything is looking nice, and yeah, if we hit that 30-40 trillion dollar mark in the overall market, then Dogelon very much could get this to this price without a dilution of the shares and a artificial spike in price with no profit. So in short, yes. 5-10 years time frame, yes. There are many reasons a company sell their crypto, but only one if they buy massively, like Wintermute. I just want Elon to hit 0.0005 at least by the next 1 to 2 years. 0.0005. It won't hit that, man. It won't hit that. And if it does hit that, you won't be as satisfied as you think you are going to be. Because they will have to dilute shares and you won't make a profit. They could dilute this to like, let's say 1 million shares. This price would be the price of Bitcoin, but we would not make a penny because the shares that we are holding get diluted as well. In the next 1 to 2 years, hitting that market cap of almost $2 trillion or $1 trillion, that would be almost $2 trillion, would be very unrealistic. Elon needs to do a burn mechanism. They can do a burn. That's pretty much what I just described. They burn the circulating supply and it gets diluted. We won't make any money though. That's just simply for marketing techniques. So it will say it went up 100% in one day because they'll dilute it to half, right? But none of the holders make money, but the marketing It looks really good. Oh, this coin went up 100% in a day. I should get in because I can make this much money in a day, right? But in reality, you don't make that much money. You only make that much money if the market cap doubles. Dogelon Mars is owned 71% by Whales Foundation, and Wintermute owns 59% of total supply. We can move the price to Mars easily when Bitcoin starts moving higher. They can completely wreck the price as well if it gets to the point that they want to sell. Because if they're controlling 71% of the total circulating supply, that only leaves 29% to average investors. Okay, so if those average investors push it higher, then it's down to the motives of the people who are holding the coin. If they truly want this to be a currency, they will hold the coin, or even donate the coin out to holders. Okay, that is what they would do to expand business. Now, if they have bad intentions, then they'll just sell it and leave everyone out to, fend for themselves. Wintermute. Does this guy have an actual name or like Wintermute? Wintermute is a leading crypto market maker. We are partnering with the world's best crypto exchange. Oh, this is not a guy. It's an algorithmic trading firm and one of the largest players in global digital asset markets. Okay, all right, that changes a lot. I thought it was one whale, one guy, but it's an algorithm. So it's a good thing. It is a much better thing. The reason why algorithms don't have emotions, so one day the algorithm isn't going to wake up and be like, all right, dump the market. I'm selling. I want to go out and get like $1 million dinner right now. Algorithms just want to make money. So how are they going to make money in the future? Algorithm is designed by a business. A business is out there to make money. The only reason, how does a business make more money? They attract more customers. So what's the algorithm designed to do? Attract more customers. So how do you attract more customers? You raise the price over the long term. So that is very, very, that's a good thing. That is it. It's an algorithm. Will it pump today or not? Let's see. I'm going to just refresh it. Will it pump today or not? Oh, man. I like how you phrased your question, man. No, it won't pump today. The reason being, we have a couple more days in the time frame in order for it to hit the triple bottom. Okay, we want it to hit that triple bottom, and then it will pump when the buyers step back in. So around these 6-3 levels, that's what we want it to hit. It's not going to pump today just simply because it doesn't have a reason to pump today. Once it hits this 6-3 level, it will have a reason and a higher likelihood of it pumping. But today, no. It will probably continue to drop. So just hold what you have, not financial advice. Or if you have not averaged in yet, just wait. Be patient. Have patience. I'm about to head out. If you want to learn how to day trade so you can mitigate your risk and make consistent, repeatable profits every single day, like I do, check out the link in the description. First link. If you don't make your first profitable trade in the first 30 days, then you get your money back. And the deal is only going on for this week and this week only. So check it out. I will catch you guys in the next video. Oh, one more question. You caught me right on the outro, man. Right on the outro. Do you think 5 levels is more likely than 630? Oh. Okay, 5 levels. If Bitcoin drops lower, then yeah. That's what we want to see. Bitcoin comes back down to test this previous line, this previous uptrend line, then 5 levels will be necessary. they will be necessary and proper. So if a Bitcoin comes down to these $36,000 levels, that means we will come down to these 5 levels. When we come down these 5 levels, you want to average in. That is not guaranteed, but that is a possibility. It probably has a 25% likelihood of happening. Okay, this triple bottom has around 75% likelihood of it bouncing higher. So to answer your question, it's possible. And that's why you hold and you wait. Because if it does break these triple bottoms without confirmation, then you just hold and get a nice price at these 5 levels. And I'm here to walk you guys through it the whole way. Damn, Bo, I've been loading up and I have billions of Elon. But it takes 10 years to take a profit? To answer your question, if you're trading for the long term, you're trading for the long term. So you want to hold long term. What I like to do is day trade. Get in and out of the markets every single day. You can make a nice 30% in a day and then move on to the next coin. That's what I like to do. But if you're trading long term, if you're looking at it more of an investment instead of a work, because it takes time to day trade. It'll take an hour or 2 a day, but that's all you need to make 30, 40, 50% in one day. But in the long term, you're just accumulating and you're holding. So yeah, it depends what your trading strategy is. Long term or short term. You sound like a certain crypto YouTuber when you do that voice, LOL. Not saying names, though. Thanks for the screen. Wait, who do I sound like? I'm actually curious. Do I sound like... I don't know who. I've never listened to someone with that voice. Just finished the coffee. Alright. I'm heading out. Check out the deal in the description. For real, take advantage if you are ready to make a change, because right now is the time to learn this knowledge as we're nearing a low in the market. So I love you guys. I'm here for you guys. Shoot me an email so we can stay in contact, mycryptomoves@gmail.com. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh wait, next live stream video. Peace.